After an extended legal battle, Johnny Depp has won a lawsuit against Amber Heard, forcing her to reveal how much money she donated to ACLU. Heard gets owned in the biggest way possible, giving Depp a huge win. Pirates of the Caribbean star Johnny Depp won the ACLU lawsuit against ex-wife Amber Heard. Johnny Depp and Aquaman star Amber Heard married in 2015 after meeting on the set of The Rum Diary in 2009. A year later, in 2016, Heard filed for divorce and accused Depp of domestic violence. Depp and his lawyers denied the physical abuse claims and accused Heard of attempting to earn financial compensation. A $7 million settlement was reached, which Heard claimed she would donate to the American Civil Liberties Union and Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. Depp then sued Heard in 2019 for a $50 million defamation lawsuit after her publication in the Washington Post, which led to a trial in 2020 that Depp lost. Just 4 days later, he revealed he had been asked to resign from his role as Grindelwald in the upcoming Fantastic Beasts film. After multiple rejections from the court to appeal, Depp has now won a lawsuit to unveil whether Heard did donate her money as alleged. The dispute between Depp and Heard has been ongoing for several years now, with Depp losing many of the lawsuits and his role as the Dark Wizard in the Harry Potter spin-off franchise. In contrast, many of the actor's supporters came forward to petition that Heard be removed from the Aquaman movies as Mera. Despite the declarations, Aquaman producers have decided to keep Heard on in the films. Though evidence that Heard hit Depp was revealed in a recorded telephone call, most of the losses have impacted Depp's career and reputation. In many gendered cases of violence, the law does not always believe women against powerful men. So if it is uncovered that Heard lied about her donation and framed Johnny Depp as the accuser when she was more responsible for the abuse, it could have catastrophic consequences for other women who go to court and lose their assault trials due to sexism and a lack of believability. Now, Comic Book Resources reports that Johnny Depp has won a ruling that forces the ACLU hospital to reveal how much Amber Heard donated to them from her $7 million divorce settlement. Though Heard promised to donate her entire settlement to the charity, Depp and his lawyers believe this to be false. If their suspicions are correct and the filing rules that Heard didn't donate what she claimed to the hospital, Depp's representatives will have evidence against Heard's character. The judge who sided with Heard in Depp's $50 million defamation lawsuit claimed that a contributing factor to believing Heard over Depp was that he claimed she only married him for the money. Still, the judge stated that this couldn't be true if Heard donated the full divorce settlement to charity. Therefore, if it comes to light that Heard didn't donate all or part of the $7 million she won to the ACLU, Depp's lawyers will be able to use this to strengthen their argument that Heard only married Depp for financial gain. This could then aid Depp in winning the lawsuit. Crucially, Wan's film may have trouble finding an audience in December of 2022, where it currently plans to release alongside one of the most highly anticipated sequels in recent memory, James Cameron's Avatar 2. Cameron's follow-up to his 2009 epic has been gestating for years now, and as rumors continue to surface surrounding the new film, it seems it may have a lot in common with Aquaman 2. Much has been made of the film's lengthy underwater sequences, which are genuinely filmed underwater. Whereas Aquaman relied on complex CGI and rig technology, Avatar 2 required its actors to perform motion capture at surprising underwater depths. Kate Winslet, who plays a new character in the sequel, even broke Tom Cruise's record for an underwater scene. Aquaman 2 needs to be delayed, and not because of the suggested controversies around Amber Heard's private life, but because of another huge release currently set for the same day. The DCEU sequel is currently set to release on December 16, 2022, assuming the various complications surrounding Heard and her ex-husband Johnny Depp don't impact filming. But the even stronger reason for Aquaman 2's release delay is Avatar 2. Although 2018's Aquaman amassed over $1 billion at the box office and developed a loyal cult following of its own, the franchise has not quite established itself as a perennial success like the MCU films, or even other DC properties have. fans and critics alike landed the first film for its commitment to spectacle, and fortunately, director James Wan is set to return for the sequel, ensuring a continued commitment to the over-the-top action. Because Avatar 2 can lay claim to such a bold, ambitious approach to filmmaking, it is likely to overshadow Aquaman 2 and any other film that dares to rival it in the final quarter of 2022. And not only that, but the thematic parallels of magical underwater kingdoms and a fish-out-of-water narrative focus draw Aquaman and Avatar 2 close together. Cameron's ambition is what made the first Avatar film such a smash hit both at the box office and during awards season, and is largely why the sequel remains so highly anticipated. Unlike its predecessor, Aquaman 2 will not be able to rely on the uniqueness of its underwater setting, and may therefore have to consider a later release date for its own sake. There is no doubt that Aquaman 2 will provide plenty of impressive imagery, but its computerized nature may seem glaring when compared with the authenticity of Avatar 2. Certainly, Warner Bros. Could welcome this challenge from Disney, who only recently acquired the Avatar franchise after purchasing 20th Century Fox, but seeking out another release slot in 2023, and perhaps the summer season, would be a far smarter move. Particularly as Disney is likely to treat Avatar as its next big sci-fi franchise and invest heavily to cover the huge costs of making Cameron sequels. Johnny Depp has scored a rare victory in his lengthy and bitter divorce case against his ex-wife actress Amber Heard. A New York judge partially granted a petition from the Pirates of the Caribbean star to determine if Heard had followed through on her promise of donating her $7 million divorce settlement to the American Civil Liberties Union and the Children's Hospital Los Angeles. As per the ruling, the ACLU must release documents that confirm whether or not Heard had made the donation, which has become a point of contention in the former couple's legal saga. Mr. Depp is most gratified by the court's decision. Depp's lawyer Benjamin Chu told USA Today, "The latest ruling is significant in that the promised donation was cited by a judge in the UK while deciding on a libel case brought about by Depp against publishers of The Sun after a 2018 headline labeled him a wife-beater." Giving evidence in February, Heard said, "I remained financially independent from him the whole time we were together, and the entire amount of my divorce settlement was donated to charity." Judge Andrew Nicol commented in the London case, ruling that the donation of the $7 million to charity is hardly the act one would expect of a gold digger.